So in this video, we're looking at a CPR scanner for monthly basis. So it's the first day of the month, okay, Monday. So we are going to look at monthly, and then we're also looking for stocks which are above all the daily moving averages. Okay. So here are the moving averages we are looking at: 2155, 144, 233. Okay, it has to be above all of them. Sorry, it has to be below all of them. So this is bearish stocks. Okay. So first one is ENPH. So let's go to the charts. Let's look at ENPH. In phase. Okay, you can see the stock is going down. You can see this RSI is down, CPR is down. So all time frames are down. Sell volume is high. Long term, everything is high. So this is very bearish. So you can go bearish on this stock. Okay. So this is N phase. First stock is N phase. Okay. Second one is DHR. Okay. See that DHR also is trending down. RSI down. TTM squeeze also down. Time frames are long term, short term are bearish. Okay. So next one is HT. Okay, HT also 3 CPR down. It's flipping. See long term bearish. Okay. EDP. But EDP also bearish. See all CPR down. Squeeze. See multi time frame down also. Okay. Scan. Fill. Fill. Fill also is down. Let's look at my call ratio, high put call ratio. Fill is high. HR is high. SCHW. Okay. Start trending down. As you can see, a narrow CPR also. This definitely will go down. So you can see all the time frames are negative. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe, and comment. If you need this scanner and this indicators, please let me know. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe.